tomorrow, if you know, in 2019. And what we do, if we online lessons, children do not good knowledge. You say that they know about differently knowledge, but it's not really possible if they can't exchange for the mind. They change it all the time. Sunny.
How I said earlier, it's the responsibility of the student, and of course it depends on the student. And if parents will give him this mindset of studying and working from a young age, he will study, of course. But in our society now, no one can study, and I think that is because teachers are pressuring us, gives us like too much homework and everything. And I think if teachers will be gone, it will be more comfortable for us to study, and maybe we will be willing to study.
I think that if the teacher is like 60 or 50 years old, that's bad because it's oldness and like that. While being without teacher, it is good because we can have brothers or friends that can help us without a teacher. Or like Abi from jail, he's not teacher, he's our brother that help us with homeworks or with something else. And like friends, like I said, like Rawan, he helped me homework to he helped me to do my homework, and he helped me to solve problems.
The school without teacher.
Yeah.
Sunny, continue. Teacher without, or school without teacher?
Without teacher, I think school is going to be prime, because you don't have to wear form or you don't have to hear warning from them. Just like that, we can do whatever we want and learn by that. And if we need something else, like from teachers, we can just open books and learn from them by ourselves. And if we don't understand, we can call Adi or friend that understands it.
Okay, sorry for interrupting, but I have a question in this time. What will you do when robots hits a child when he made a mistake? Maybe it's going to be school time, or maybe it's going to be, I don't know what will we do?
First
It's
of all,
your child.
Yes, but I didn't say that there will be robots. I said AI and like artificial intelligence. I mean internet, and maybe he will search information from the phones and computers. I don't think that there will be robots in the near future, and students will search information by themselves, and no one will be controlling them and everything. And yes,
Camille, continue.
So